So today I'm gonna try to replicate one of my best-selling bracelets, which is the Dangling bracelet. So the first thing you're gonna need is your string and your beads. The maximum charms you can have is 8, and I'm going for the word calm with some musical notes, like these. So first, let's start with the bracelet. First, you're gonna need 24 beads. These are my 24 beads. Now, all I'm gonna do is just string them up, and I'll meet you back around later. Now that you got your 24 beads on a string, now we're gonna do the double knot. It means that you wrap it twice instead of once, and then you're gonna tighten it. Turn around, wrap it 2 times again, and try to pull the string so it tightens. Before you cut it, ensure that when you pull it, it's not pulling out. And then now we're gonna cut the string. Cut it close as possible, but not too close, because we don't want to cut the knot. Now this part was just the easy part. Now we gotta make the dangly parts, like these. For this part, you're gonna need your needlepoint pliers, of course more beads, and wire. Along with God knows what these things are called. Anyways. Now I'm not sure you might have noticed or not, but there's 2 different types of the danglers that are on the bracelet. You got the long one and the short one. So first we're gonna make the longer one. So here's a piece of wire I just cut off mine. So first I'm gonna make the hole on the top. And you clamp down, and all you gotta do is turn it. And there you have it. Now you're gonna turn it upside down, add a bead, and then turn it again. Now we're gonna cut the excess off and then try to tighten that part. Or the easier way, which I should have told you first, is just to buy these. That's what they call, I still don't know. Now, if you add the bead, you just have to tighten this part. Now I finished setting mine up. So we're gonna make one more of these, but instead of fully curling the thing, you're gonna attach the first part to this one before you fully close it. Now that I finished curling this part, I'm gonna attach this to it. You know, I need the smaller part. There we go. And we're gonna tighten it. Attach this bead. And finish curling it. There we go. Now you're gonna make 4 more of these. And before you do that, I'm gonna show you how to make the shorter one, which is just making one of them. There, I've finished curling this part. I'm gonna attach my bead. Just finish curling it, just like the first time. There we go. Now, I'm going to show you how to attach your pendants like these. So for the longer ones, I attached the letters of the word. In between each letter, I have like a pendant. This one, the word was star. And as you can see, I have a lot of stars on it. As I said, for the smaller one, I attached the pendant. So I'm just going to take up one of these. Put it through one of the parts up here. Attach this part. There we go. Now I'm gonna attach a letter to the bigger ones. Get this part, attach it. And the word that I'm using is calm, and this is the M. There we go. So now you're gonna do it for, you're gonna do 3 more of the big ones and also 3 more of the smaller ones. And then I'll meet you back later. Now that you're finished, just have them set out in the pattern that you want, the similar pattern. Now you're gonna get these rings to attach. You're gonna use them to attach them to your bracelet. So first thing, get your pliers, and for this part it's gonna be a little bit tricky to attach them. So you're gonna want them to all face one direction. So I'm gonna insert this part. You're gonna find which way you have to turn it for this part to be facing outwards. And then you're just gonna attach it anywhere. And then just lock it in. There you go. First charm on. Now we'll get the second one. And attach. Insert this part right here. Make sure it's facing the right way. Skip 3 beads and then attach. Crap. Okay, there we go. Now, let's get the other one. Make sure it's facing the right way. Take your bracelet up, skip 3 again, and attach. Okay, there. Now you're gonna keep on doing that until you got your bracelet. I'm gonna show you how mine looks in the end. Okay guys, so here's my final product. I think it looks great. It kind of like matches with my outfit today, so. Here's how it looks on my hair. There. And also, if you want to see me make a pair of earrings for this bracelet as a set, then there's going to be a short video. It's going to be very easy if you already figured out how to make this bracelet. So if you want to make an earring, just go to my channel. You'll find it back to back with this video. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you. Bye.